Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. The channel name is EthicalExplorers. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic in cybersecurity and brand protection, a highly specialized tool called DNS Twist. Have you ever wondered what sort of trouble users can get into just by trying to type your domain name into their browser? It happens far more often than people realize. Users make simple typos, transpose letters, or completely forget a hyphen. In the hands of malicious actors, those simple mistakes are an absolute goldmine. Adversaries actively hunt for, generate, and register lookalike domains to attack you, your employees, and your customers. This technique, known as typosquatting, relies heavily on human error and cognitive bias. When people are in a hurry, their brains often misread a slightly altered URL as legitimate, making them highly vulnerable to deception. DNS Twist is a brilliant open-source tool designed specifically to find these lookalike domains before they can be weaponized against you. It can detect typosquatters, phishing attacks, corporate fraud setups, and targeted brand impersonation campaigns. If you work in a security operations center or operate as an independent threat hunter, DNS Twist is highly useful as an additional, reliable source of targeted threat intelligence, allowing you to map out an organization's external attack surface effectively. How does it accomplish this? It relies on an automated workflow known as DNS Fuzzing. DNS Fuzzing uncovers potentially malicious domains targeting your organization by generating a comprehensive list of permutations based on a single domain name you provide. Once this list is created, the tool automatically verifies whether any of these permutations are actually in use and actively resolvable on the internet. It can also generate fuzzy hashes of web pages to detect ongoing phishing attacks, checking if an external site is trying to clone your digital identity. Let's look at some key features that make this tool incredibly powerful. DNS Twist boasts a variety of highly effective domain fuzzing algorithms. It fully supports Unicode domain names, or internationalized domain names, which are frequently abused in homograph attacks where characters from different alphabets look identical to standard Latin characters. You can also feed it additional permutations from your own dictionary files for a more customized search scope. The tool utilizes efficient multi-threaded task distribution, meaning it runs incredibly fast, even when processing massive datasets. For live phishing web page detection, it evaluates HTML similarity with sophisticated locality-sensitive fuzzy hashes like SSDeep and TLHS. It even checks screenshot visual similarity with perceptual hashes, like phash, allowing it to spot a cloned website even if the underlying code has been altered. Furthermore, it can detect rogue mail exchange hosts designed to intercept misdirected emails, and it provides geo-IP location data for the rogue servers it discovers. Finally, you can easily export this actionable data directly to CSV and JSON formats for seamless integration into your existing security information and event management systems. Now, let's get it installed on our system. The process is straightforward and highly flexible. First, installing using the standard Python package installer, PIP, is the quickest method for most environments. Open your terminal and type pip install DNS Twist, followed immediately by the word full enclosed in square brackets. This full command ensures you get all the extra features and complex dependencies required for the advanced visual similarity checks and deep fuzzy hashing operations. If you prefer a lighter footprint on your system, you can choose to install the bare minimum version by typing pip install DNS Twist and then add individual requirements later based on your specific operational needs. Alternatively, if you want to run the absolute latest version of the source code directly from the developers, you can easily pull it from GitHub. To do this, type git clone followed by the GitHub repository URL, which is github.com/lcef/dnstwist.git. Once the cloning process is complete, change into the newly created directory by typing cd space DNS Twist. Finally, compile and install the package locally by typing pip install dot. And just like that, you are fully installed and ready to hunt for rogue domains across the web. With the installation completely out of the way, let's clear our screens and jump straight into the terminal to see how this tool functions in practice. Let's look at the built-in documentation first to understand our command options. Type DNS twist --H and press enter. This instantly prints out the main help dialog, which is very well documented and simple to navigate. You will notice a wide array of functional flags to customize your fuzzing runs. You can clearly see flags for enabling dictionary-based attacks, exporting your final scan results into structured CSV or JSON files, specifying custom name servers to bypass local DNS caching, adjusting thread counts for performance tuning, and toggling the deep web page analysis features like fuzzy hashing and rogue mail server detection. Reading through this help menu shows exactly how granular you can get with your targeted threat intelligence gathering. Now let's run a comprehensive real-world scan against a well-known target to see the actual output format. We're going to run a deep scan against google.com. Type the command DNS twist --R google.com. The -R flag used here is critical because it tells the engine to not just mathematically generate the variations, but to actually reach out to the internet, resolve them, and verify if they currently point to live active IP addresses. Press enter and immediately you see the terminal lighting up with a massive stream of real-time data. The tool is taking the core string Google and applying its diverse fuzzing algorithms simultaneously. It's trying transposition, omission, insertion, and replacement, effectively mimicking classic fat finger keyboard mistakes. It's also testing sophisticated homoglyphs, substituting standard ASCII characters with visually identical Unicode characters to see if anyone is abusing them. As the raw results stream down the screen, pay close attention to the structural layout. The first column dictates the specific algorithmic technique used to create that variation. Right next to that is the mutated domain name itself. Notice how sinister some of these look, appearing almost perfectly identical to the real Google domain upon casual inspection. Next to the domain name, thanks to our live resolution flag, we see the successfully resolved IP addresses. If a mutated domain resolves to an IP, it means someone has deliberately registered it and it's actively pointing to a live server. Some of these variations might be registered defensively by Google itself to protect its user base from accidental typos. However, a significant portion will inevitably belong to unknown third parties. Some might be relatively harmless parked domains full of advertisements trying to monetize accidental traffic, but others could be hosting highly dangerous malicious infrastructure, serving malware payloads disguised as legitimate software updates, or hosting pixel-perfect visual clones of a login page waiting to harvest sensitive user credentials. This single scan generates hundreds of unique results, highlighting how massive the hidden external attack surface truly is for a prominent brand. Running this exact diagnostic for your own company allows you to proactively block these malicious IPs at your corporate firewall, initiate formal domain takedown requests with hosting providers, and gather real-world examples for internal security awareness training. The volume of data returning to our screen right now is a testament to the speed and efficiency of the multi-threading engine working under the hood. You can clearly see the immense professional value of piping this massive output to a JSON file to cleanly filter through the noise and zero in on the highest risk domains targeting your enterprise. And there you have it. The live scan is wrapping up its final processes, leaving us equipped with a wealth of actionable threat intelligence data. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today. If you found this technical breakdown useful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for much more technical content from Ethical Explorers. Stay safe out there on the web.